Look at all these terracotta warriors. Look at those pieces missing. Imagine all those pieces missing. That would hurt. Especially the beheaded ones. There's some horses. There's those horses.
Oh, let's go closer to those other horses. Look at the tails, are they knotted? Those are the ones that pulled the chariots. The ones with the knotted tails. Look at these here. Do they have knotted tails? I don't want to get that.
Yep.
Hang with me, okay?
Yeah.
Amazing, isn't it?